Happy Monday. May the 4th be with you. It is Star Wars Day, at least in my world. I hope you're catching up on some Star Wars stuff today. Lots of cool stuff on Disney Plus today. Well, that's mainly for my kids. But here we got a workout for you to do. So let the kids go watch a Disney movie and let's get a workout done. Let's talk about this warm-up here. We have a good one, 5-minute warm-up, 100-meter run. 5 push-up to pike, which is down dog essentially, 15 hollow rocks, and 20 alternating lunges, okay? So we're gonna repeat this for 5 minutes. This is still a warm-up, so don't try and win the warm-up, right? You're just gonna keep moving and for 5 minutes at your own pace, okay? So if you can't do the push-up to pike down dog, just think about the cobra or up dog to down dog transition. If you can do the push-up, just add that push-up in, okay? Let's see what we got next. All right, for today's workout, we have a double AMRAP. Boom! Might be a little bit soon after Coach Jorge's weekly challenge of burpees and push-ups and squats. Very similar to that weekly challenge that we just did, but let's talk about this. 6 minutes, 6 burpees, 8 push-ups, 10 squats. Keep repeating that for 6 minutes. Then we're going to take a 2-minute break and do it again. Now the goal here is to match or exceed your first round, okay? So don't sandbag the first round. Try and get a good score there. You got 2 minutes rest. That's plenty of time to recover from a workout like this. And then try and nail that again. So try and get the same score or better, which most people will do better on the second time round. You're just warmed up, you have an idea about pacing, and you're ready to go. All right, so double AMRAP, just do this twice, so it's a 14-minute workout, and let's see, what do we have? I think we got a finisher today. Let's check that out. All right, for this finisher, it's good one here, triceps work. We haven't really worked much isolating the triceps, but we're going to today. 2 sets, 20 banded triceps. So if you have a band at home, press those out, okay? If not, overhead tricep extension. So that is, hold something behind your head and press up overhead. The goal is to get your elbow to bend down and then extend it, okay? If you don't have anything like that, a dumbbell or a backpack, something weighted that you can lift up overhead, if you just have a dumbbell and you're worried about going overhead, you can just do tricep kickbacks, okay? So that's in a horizontal position, just extending the arm, okay? Gonna rest 1 minute between sets and then go back and repeat that, all right? 20 hollow rocks, I totally skipped over that, but 20 hollow rocks in there. If you can't do a hollow rock, just do a 20 to 30 second hollow hold. Try and hold that position, all right? Or a tuck up, so knees to chest and try and hold that position, contracting that, okay? So that's what we got today, so look out for movement demos.